We've recently began implementing Eplan. The number of mistakes is greatly reduced when you have one system that's managing your bill of material as well as what your drawing is. Our electrical engineers have to lay out this panel by hand in AutoCAD. So they'll often download or draw a rough block for each piece of equipment that's in there or each component that's in there. Eplan is going to make that way easier where you can drop in and then it'll populate that image already for you. And if you need to move it around, the wire numbers will automatically change too. Because we want our engineers to be doing engineering things, not renumbering wires. When it's a connected system like this, it should speed up the releases that we have. Again, minimize mistakes. We've seen that in the past with some of those mistakes that happen, and then it goes months before the mistake may be caught. You're already deep into your production schedule, and it takes so much more time to be able to try to fix that mistake. Whereas if you don't make that mistake in the first place, which is the expectation with Eplan, I mean, that's going to save so much time.